Hi, this is Suraj from Teaching for Life, and today it is the second tutorial that we're going to take a look at. So we're going to take a look at the main syntax. So you go ahead and open Notepad++, and you first save the file on the folder that I have told you in the previous tutorial. So you just need to save the file on your examp and htdocs, and I'm going to save it as basic syntax or main syntax. Let's save it as main syntax.php. Right now you have a PHP file, and I'm just going to zoom this in. Right, so that you can see the code. Right, the first syntax that you need to know, a PHP code starts with PHP and ends with a PHP. Okay, so obviously, so you have less sign question mark PHP, and then you have question mark and then the greater sign. Right, the first thing that you're going to learn is to echo something on the screen. Right, so let's go ahead and echo hello. This is Suraj from Teaching for Life, and you will have to put a semicolon to end the statement. Now you go to your local host, the folder PHP basic, and then you're going to click over here. So you're going to have hello, this is Suraj from Teaching for Life. So you're going to have your statement that you have just typed in. Well, you can also use print statement, and you can include a break tag in your statement. Let's put it this way. That's going to create a line in between, and then you can also use the print statement. Print hello, this is a print statement. So I'm going to show you two different things. Let's echo Suraj from TFL, and let's try to break the statement in here. Right, let's put it small letter to avoid confusion. Save it, and we try to echo this out. Well, you're going to have hello, this is Suraj, and even if you use a break tag, it's going to render it as an HTML element offsite. Right, okay, so this is about the basic of writing something on the screen, and it is one of the basic things that you should know when you're using the server-side scripting language known as PHP. Right, and you can also input output saying, like you can output saying in bold, is in bold, which is going to render the text as bold. Or you can echo saying like so here you will see that I'm outputting an HTML element of type text, and I'm going to render this out as, so you can use Windows Starship to do that out, but let's try to normally place a value in it to say this is a value, and you just place a break tag here so that it appears as a different line. And I think we do make an error here, so just close a bold tag in between. Right, so you're going to refresh your page over here. So yeah, on line 5, yeah, yeah, so it's here. I think we have backspace assignment. So you're going to have your value placed in here. Actually, if you refresh the page, you're going to have this is a value placing, right? So you can render HTML element inside, you can render HTML tags. You can also input JavaScript on-click events that's going to produce mouse click event, mouse over events on the screen, right? So in the next section we're going to take a look at variables, which are very important if you're going to program great thing in PHP, if you're going to make web application using PHP.